Candidate online classes. I am English teacher. Today we discuss English grammar chapter 10. Okay, chapter 10 English grammar. And chapter 10 means verb. Okay, verb यानी कि क्रिया. So here just you see what is verb. Okay. So first you open page number 61 grammar book and open your copy also and write all the numbers. Okay. So first you understand what is verb. A verb is a word that tell us what a person, an animal or a thing does. So just I repeat this one. A verb is a word that tell us what a person, an animal or a thing does. So write down in your copy. Okay. So let's start the verb chapter. So first you see the blackboard properly. What I write, then you have to write in your copy. Encircle the action word. Here first you see encircle the action word. Which is the action word? Just you write. Okay. Just I'm write on the blackboard some words. Let's you see and write in your copy. Okay. So here some words just I'm read: pen, write, noodles, candy, cook, eat, jump, shirt, sleep, phone, shout, cartoon, book, love, talk. So here we have to just encircle the action word. So just you see on the blackboard, write this one of the action word. राइट यानी कि लिखना, ठीक है. कुक खाना बनाना, ईट कुछ खाना, ओके. जंप जंप करना, देन स्लीप सोना, देन साउट चिल्लाना, या love. So this one you have to encircle the action word. Just you have to encircle it. Okay. So eat, jump, love. So this word is action word. Okay. First you know about which one is the action word. Write, cook, eat, jump, sleep, shout, and love. Okay, so this one is action word. Then another we have to read, write in your copy. Here some words. So know about verb, which is the verb. So some sentence I have to write on blackboard. My mother teach French. Okay, the sentence is completed. My mother teaches French. Here is a verb. ये जो है verb. Okay, teaches यानी कि पढ़ाना. Then Mita draws picture for her school magazine. Okay, here the sentence Mita draws picture for her school magazine. मीता जो है अपने स्कूल के लिए एक मैगजीन पिक्चर ड्रॉ बना रही है, ठीक है. So here this one a verb. Okay, draws. Then another sentence, the fruit vendor sells fresh fruit every morning. Here, the fruit vendor sells fresh fruit every morning. यानी कि फल वाला जो है फ्रेश फ्रूट हर दिन जो है मॉर्निंग के समय में बेचता है. ओके, the fruit vendor sells fresh fruit every morning. Okay, in this sentence the words teachers, draws and self tell us what mother, Mita and fruit vendor does. We have learned that these are action word. Okay, these are action word, doing words. Action word भी बोल सकते हैं, doing words भी बोल सकते हैं. ये सब teaches, draws, self ये जो है action word भी है और doing words. They tell us what a person, an animal or thing does. These words are also called verb. इसको हम लोग verb भी बोल सकते हैं, action word या doing words भी बोल सकते हैं. So these are a verb. These words also called verb. Okay. So see the page number 62 and write which one the verb in your book. This one you have to write in your copy. Okay. This one you have to write in your copy. So look at this picture. Write the correct word in the blanks. Use word from the box. Here we have to see picture. Okay. So just you have to write verb, correct verb and blanks used from word from the box. Look at the picture, write the correct verb in the blanks, use word from the box. Okay, so just you see blackboard. Okay, then we have to do some question answer, then you have to write in your copy. Okay, okay dear student, see the blackboard. Okay, first you see the picture here. Look at this picture, write the correct word in the blanks. Use words from the box. Here are some words: drink, fly, dance, swim, read, plays, drive and sleep. Here first we have to using just words swim, because the boy is swimming in the pond or swimming pool. Okay, then two boys are dancing, so we have to write dance. Okay, then one baby boys or girls baby is drink a milk. What? Drink a milk. So you have to write the down or blanks. Okay, first you have to write swim, dance, drink. And others, one of the driver driving a car. Okay, here you have to write drive. Okay, so I already write 4 numbers: swim, dance, drink and drive. I already tell you. Okay, the rest others number you have to do yourself. It's very easy. First you see the picture and understand. Okay, then you have to put down in a words. Okay, in the correct word in correct place. Okay, so rest others number you have to do yourself. Okay, it's very easy. Then let's see another number we have to do. See the blackboard. Just write all the numbers. Okay, just see the blackboard. First we have to do underline. Here underline the word. Okay, you know about which is the word. Okay, I already told you. Underline the word in this sentence. Okay, so here the 63 page. Underline the words this sentence. So first you understand the sentence, understand the number of words. So first number we have to do Neha plays Neha plays the violin. What? Violin every Sunday. So just you remark or choose which is the verb. Underline the verb in this sentence. So Neha plays the violin every Sunday. नेहा जो है हर संडे जो है वायलिन बजाती है. प्लेज द वायलिन एवरी संडे. तो which is the verb? Just you find out which is the verb. So here plays is the verb. So we have to underline here. Plays. Neha plays the violin every Sunday. Okay. So verb is plays. Okay. So just you write in your copy. Then उसी तरह से number 2. My father studied. My father studied hard to become an architect. Okay. The sentence is my father studied hard to become an architect. Okay. So just you read the sentence and know about which is the verb and find out which is the verb. Okay. My father studied hard to become an artist. So which is the verb? Just find here. Studied. Okay. Studied is a verb. Okay. So my father studied hard to become an architect. So study, we have to underline study is a verb. Okay. उसी तरह से नंबर 3 विराट paints a beautiful landscape on a canvas. Okay. विराट paints a beautiful landscape on a canvas. विराट जो है बहुत सुंदर सा एक पेंट किए हैं कैनवास पे. ठीक है. लैंडस्केप ऑन ए लैंडस्केप कैनवास के थ्रू. सो in this sentence which is the verb? Okay. So first we find out Virat paints a beautiful landscape on a canvas. So which is the verb or naming words or doing words? Which is the verb? So here the paints is a verb. So Virat paints a beautiful landscape on a canvas. So paint, we have to underline paints. Okay. Third number also completed. So let's do number 4. Okay. Let's do number 4. Number 4 is here. Veena tells funny stories. Veena tells funny stories. Veena जो है बहुत ही मजाकिया सा स्टोरी बोलती है. Veena tells funny stories. Okay. Veena tells funny stories में यहाँ पे वर्ड कौन सा है? Just you have to find out. Okay. So Veena tells funny stories. Here the tells is a verb. Okay. 4 number also completed. Okay. First number, 2 number, and 3rd number, 4th number we have already completed on blackboard. Okay. And we have known about which is the verb. So dear student, rest other numbers we have to do yourself. Okay. 5 to 10 number you have to do yourself. It's very easy. to find out a verb. Okay, just you have to understand the sentence properly, then it's easy to find out verb. Okay, so number 5 to 10 you have to do yourself. Then you have to do and thus number match the column to make sentence. One has been done for you. Okay, page number 64. Okay, so we do match the column, make sentence. One has been done for you. Page number 64. Okay, so here I am write match the columns to make sentence. To make sentence. Here A side and that side is B. Okay. So first number already do the dog. The dog wags its tail on seeing its. Okay, students, in the blackboard was the measure columns to make sentence. Okay, here one number dog, the dog wags into tail on seeing its master. Then 2 number, the hawker sets dry. 3rd one, the monkeys jump from tree to tree. Okay, so here for example just you know about the match the columns to make sentence. 1, 2, 3 number I have to do on blackboard. Just others number you have to do yourself. Okay, you have to try all the number you have to do it well. Okay, so next number you have to do choose the correct word. So see the blackboard properly. See the blackboard. So the students see the blackboard properly. Choose the correct word. Here we have to choose correct word. Okay. Page number 64. You have to see in your book. Choose the correct word. First number. My brother dash the guitar. The violin. And the piano. Okay. So option A plays, B sings, C music. So choose from 3 options. My brothers dash the guitar, the violin and the piano. Plays होगा, sings होगा या music होगा. So just you have to choose correct word. So here plays, we have to tick plays and write here plays. Okay. My brother plays the guitar, the violin and the piano. Okay. So first number you have to note it in your copy. Then we have to do number 2. Okay. We dash our teeth every morning. Okay. It's very easy. We can do also without option, but we write the option brush, B wash or C rub. Okay? It's very easy. We dash our teeth every morning. So just we have to do, and it's very easy. Take a number and write here brush. Sentence is completed. We brush our teeth every morning and we have to take brush. Okay. Then we have to erase it and do and write another number. So just to see Blackboard, bird chapter, birds part, a grammar is very easy, not very difficult. You just utilize your mind properly and understand the sentence. Then you have to do all the number very well and correctly. So third number we have to do. Here third number, I dash my English book every day. So here option A number Q, B number here, and C number read. Okay, so three option is here. Third number, just you understand the sentence. I dash my English book every day. So through here read, which is the right answer? I think read is the correct answer. So here we have to write read. I read my English book every day. The sentence is completed. Okay. So you have to write read and tick C number. Then fourth number, Meena dash in an office for 8 hours. 8 hours every day. Okay. So just we write the option works. One A number, B number plays, C number dance. So just you understand the sentence. Meena dash in an office for 8 hours every day. So first option, A option is works, B plays, C dances. Okay. So we have to tick works. Here Meena works. Okay. Meena works in an office for 8 hours every day. So we have to tick A number works and write in this place works. And sentence is completed. So we have to do 1, 2, 3 and 4th number. Rest others we have to do yourself. 5 to 10 number. Okay. Here it's very not very difficult. Just you read the sentence and understand it. Then completely you have to know about and see the option and pick it. Okay. Choose the correct one. Okay. So dear student, we have to complete it. So note it in your copy. Then last, read this paragraph. Just you have to see the page number 65. Read this paragraph and encircle the verb. इसमें से आप लोग को encircle करना है verb. Okay. Mr. Arnab Ghosh is a mathematics teacher. He teaches at the English Mind Up School. Okay. So teaches first, just I choosing or encircle the numbers, some numbers. Teaches here is it is a verb. We have to encircle it. He wakes. Here the wakes is a verb, so we have to encircle it. Up at 6 a.m. He bathes the dresses, white shirt and pair leg trouser, makes his own breakfast, then drives to school. As the entire classroom, the students greet him. He tells them to sit down. He asks them a few questions. He writes some of the blackboards. The student copy them down or solve them. Mr. Ghosh checks the answer. He watches the children play in the park as he drives back home. So here we have to choose a correct verb and circle it. Okay, it's very easy. Just you understand the sentence, just you read paragraph properly, then you have to know which is the correct verb. Okay, so dear student, today we completed our chapter 10 verbs. I hope you all are understand all the chapter well and write all the numbers, question answer also. The rest others somebody have to write in your copy properly. If you don't know, then you have to ask your friends, relatives, your parents. If you don't know, then you have to contact me. Okay. Otherwise, we are sending in your WhatsApp group, our Gyan Jyoti online classes WhatsApp group, class 2. Okay. Then you have to see that's way. We have to sending a answer sheet PDF file. First you download it and see if any doubt or if any questions that you have not doing well. So that place you have to click and download the PDF and write all the numbers. Okay. So dear student, I hope you all are enjoyed today a small and very interesting part, verbs. Okay, a verb is a grammar section, is very interesting and meaningful. So all at first you read properly your grammar book and do all the numbers, all the parts of the verbs. Okay, so at the last I have information to you. Today or nowadays, coronavirus spread all over India, all over our Odisha. It is very difficult time to ourselves. So, dear student, you have to stay your home, stay safe, using hand wash, using mask, sanitizers, and time to time you have to wash your hand. At least 20 seconds you have to wash your hand. Okay, and don't go outside if not necessary. Okay, and read properly all the subject, not only English but also all the subject are important for you. So nowadays our Odisha government, our central government declared school are closed. So it's time is too very difficult for the student. We know, and I hope you all are studying well. Write all the numbers positively. So you have to enjoy your study and hard working in your home. All the numbers is very important for you. So do all the numbers. So thank you for watching our video Gyan Jyoti online classes. Thank you very much.